students, how are you? Due to COVID-19, our school has decided to take an online classes. Okay, so I am going to teach you the first chapter, rational number, and rational number. Our topic is rational number. Okay, today we start from the first exercise 1.1, and the date 19/05/2020. Okay, the first question I am reading from the book. Okay, write the additive inverse of each of the following. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. Okay, in this question there are only 5 questions: A, B, C, D and E. I am solving some of them. First we start from the first question of A, 43/9. You have to write the additive inverse of this number. How can you write? But only you can change the sign of this number. You can write additive inverse easily. Okay, this number is in positive, you can write in negative form like this and open the bracket 43/9. And the next one -7/-5, and write like this -7/-5. First of all, minus cancelled by minus. Okay, and now open the bracket, multiply this negative sign to the positive sign, because the now when minus cancelled by minus, then the remaining sign is positive sign, and when we multiply different sign, positive and negative gives negative sign. Okay, and now you can write the additive inverse of -7/-5. You can solve at your home question number C, D and E by yourself. Okay, now I am going to solve the second one question. Okay, where is my duster? Okay, this is my duster. There is no duster, but it is a cloth, just like bed cloth. So I am removing the writing rub and doing my word feed board. Okay, now I am solving the second question, and in this question you have given only 6 questions, A, B, C, D and E, F. Okay, I am solving some of them. In this question, find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Okay, I am solving the first question of the second one. Okay, second one question. You have to write the multiplicative inverse of the given number. We have to given minus 2 by 7, and we have to write the multiplicative inverse of this number. How can you write the multiplicative inverse? When you are making multiplicative inverse of any number, you can replace denominator to the numerator and numerator replace denominator. Okay, and put the sign that is given before the number. Okay, means I mean to say numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. Means मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि न्यूमरेटर में जो नंबर दिया होता है वो डिनोमिनेटर बन जाता है, और जो डिनोमिनेटर में दिया होता है वो न्यूमरेटर बन जाता है। मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स जब हम लिख रहे होते हैं। ओके, गॉट इट? एंड नाउ द ई क्वेश्चन 2/15 and 3/8. First of all, solve this question and make a single rational number. Okay, 2, 8 cancelled by 2, and we have got 4, and 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. Okay, this is the single rational number 1/20, and here you can write the additive inverse of this number like this. You can denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. If the denominator is 1, it is not necessary to write in the denominator. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, and the third one of the second question, -1 into minus 4/-7. First of all, make the single rational number 7. Okay, minus cancelled by minus and multiply -1 to the 4/7. Okay, now we have got -4/7, and now you can write the multiplicative inverse. And in the when you are writing a multiplicative inverse of any number, you can make this easily. In this condition, you can make denominator numerator and numerator makes denominator like this, and put the sign if the sign is given before the number. Okay, this is the multiplicative inverse of this given number. Okay, like this, and you can solve the other question of the second question. Okay, now I am going to solve the third one question. Verify that minus x, okay, equals to x. Or in this question we have given only 3 questions. I am solving any one. Means I am solving any 1 or 2. Okay, and the remaining you have to solve at your home. Okay, I am starting from A. Now this number is given here, okay, and take this equation here like this, minus x and minus, and you can put the value of x here, and the value of x is given here. This is the value of x, and you can put this value at the place of x. Means I mean to say, ये वैल्यू आपको जो दी गई है, इसको आपको x की जगह पुट करना है. Okay, now this n has given here. Okay, this is not in the solution, but this is given also already. Okay, and now this value write in this place like minus 5 by 9. And now solve the question. First of all, open the inner bracket, means small bracket, minus into minus you can solve easily. Minus into minus becomes positive, and now write the right side the same. Now open this bracket. Open. If the minus sign is given out of the bracket, and you can you want to open the bracket, you can change the sign, inner sign. Inner sign is positive, and so you have to write negative sign, because the positive and negative sign multiplied to each other gives a negative sign. Minus 5 by 9 and minus 5 by 9. If both sides are equal, this is given here in the camera or not. This side, this line is, cameraman, listen, this line is showing no. Okay, I am solving again, don't mind. Okay, okay, this is the fault of my cameraman. Okay, students, open. I am solving this next line on this side. Okay, open the inner bracket, minus and minus. You can open the inner bracket, and minus into minus becomes plus, means becomes positive. And now open the square bracket and multiply with these two signs each other, and minus into plus becomes negative, means minus and minus 5 by 9. If the both sides are equal, so this is verified. Okay, and the remaining two questions you can solve at your home. Now I am going to solve the question number 4. Okay, in the first question I am reading, is 1 upon 7 is the multiplicative inverse of 21 upon 3. Why or why not? Okay, first of all, write 21 upon 3 to solve this question. Question number 4. You can read this question. I have given in the PDF already. Okay, write 21 upon 7 and inverse. Write the inverse of this numbers, 3 upon 21, and cancel 21 by 3, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. We have got 1 by 7, and this is the 1 upon 7 is the multiplicative inverse of 21 by 3, and also 1 upon 7 multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 7, 21 by 3. This is clear. Yes, this is okay. Now I am going to solve the question number 5th. Students, question number 5. I am solving this question. I am reading this question. You can see this question I have given in PDF. Is 5 upon 7. I am reading this question. First of all, is 5 upon 7 additive inverse of 1 upon 1 complete 1 upon 4. Okay, we have to check. Minus 5 upon 7. First of all, we have to write the additive inverse. How can we write? But only you can change the sign and write the additive inverse. Okay, first of all, you have to write the additive inverse, and in this way you can write the additive inverse and open the bracket and minus multiply minus, you will get positive sign. And okay, and now this number, this rational number change into mixed fraction. 4 1 ja 4 and remaining 1 and the 4. This is clear? Yes. Yes, you can write minus 5 upon 4 is the additive inverse of 1 complete 1 upon 4. Okay. Now I am going to solve the question number 5th A. Okay. Question number 6A. I am reading this question. Multiply 3 by 25 by the reciprocal of 9 by 15. I am noting this question at the board. Multiply 3 by 25 by reciprocal of 9 by 15. My writing is very poor, students. Okay. And the question is saying multiply 3 by 25 by the reciprocal of 9 by 15. First of all, we have to write the reciprocal of this number, and then the reciprocal of this number multiply by this number. Okay. First of all, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 9 by 15 is equal to 15 by 9. Okay. In the multiplicative inverse, denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator, and the multiplicative of this number multiply this number to this number, 15 by 9 and 3 by 25. Okay. And now cancel by 9 by 3, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9, and these two numbers cancelled by the common factor 5. 5 3 ja 15. Okay. 5 3 ja 15 or 5 5 ja 25, and multiply this denominator, and 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. This is the answer. Okay, of this question. Now you have to solve the second question. I am solving this question, second of 6, means B. Okay, multiply, I am reading this question. Multiply 3 by 7 by the additive inverse of minus 21 by 5. Multiply 3 by 7 by the additive inverse of minus 21 by 5. You can solve this question like the previous question. First of all, you have to write the additive inverse. Now, additive inverse of minus 21 by 5. Okay, now you can change the sign like this. Okay, cameraman, this is showing here on my board or not? Check it. Open this bracket. Cameraman, open, check the video. This is showing on my video or not? Student, I am not telling you, but I am telling on, I am asking on the cameraman. Okay, open this bracket, multiply minus sign to this minus sign, and you know already when two same signs multiply each other gives positive sign. Okay, you have read in the previous class. Okay, this is the additive inverse of this given number. Okay, and multiply the additive inverse of this number given here to this number. Okay, now 21 multiply by 3 by 7. Okay, 21 cancel by 7 3 times, and multiply numerator to numerator, 3 3 are 9 and upon 5. This is the answer of this question. Okay, any problem? If there is any problem, you can ask me. I have given you WhatsApp number. Okay, now I am solving the next question, means I mean to say 7th question. Okay, evaluate the following using the appropriate properties. Question number 7. I have read the wrong question. This is the 7th question. So this question is saying solve the following using the suitable arrangement. Okay, 1 upon 7 into minus 2 upon 9 and 14 upon 15 into 18 upon 12. First of all, you have to make two pairs and check which number is cancelled by the another number, means which denominator or numerator cancelled by each other by the same number or the other number. Okay, here these two numbers, in this rational number denominator is 7 and in this number numerator is 14, and 14 is cancelled by 7 easily. So you can take these two rational number in the first pair. Okay, 1 upon 7 into 14 upon 15. and now you can take the remaining two number in the second pair. Okay students, I am explaining in Hindi again. आपको करना क्या है कि आपको ऐसे दो पेयर लेने हैं, दो पेयर लेने हैं जिसमें न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को या डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर को एक दूसरे को आसानी से काटा जा सके। जैसे कि इसमें 7 है डिनोमिनेटर, इसमें न्यूमरेटर 14 है, और न्यूमरेटर इसका 14 जो है 7 से आसानी से कट सकता है, सो कैंसिल हो सकता है। तो ये दिस नंबर टेकन इन द फर्स्ट, ठीक है, विल टेक, ओके, 7 14 cancel by 7 2 times, and the answer is 2 by 15. Now 18 cancel by 9 2 times, and okay, 12 cancel by 2 6 times, and 6th cancel by 2 3 times, and 1 upon 3, and multiply these two numbers, and you have to check any denominator or numerator are cancelling each other or not. If they are not cancelling to each other, you can multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, and okay, यदि आपका numerator जो है numerator denominator से कट रहा है कि नहीं कट रहा है, ये चेक करना है आप लोगों को, और नहीं कट रहा तो सीधा सीधा आप लोग उसका से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, इसका से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 45, ओके, दिस इज द आंसर. This is the first question of 7A. Okay. Now the remaining two questions you have to solve at your home. Okay. Students, I am solving the question number 8. Okay. Evaluate the following using the appropriate properties. I am solving the first question. First A. 5 upon 7 into minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 into minus 1 by 9. You make the two pairs by separating positive or negative sign here. Okay. First of all, check in these two pairs which number is same. I think 5 by 7 and 5 by 7 in these two pairs are common number. Okay, means दोनों में है, तो you have to take common number out of the bracket. You will say 5 by 7 common, and this number is divided by this number. Okay, 5 by 7 is divided by 5 by 7, you will get 1. Okay, if the same number divided by the same number, if the given number 2 and you are dividing by 2, you will get 1, and you are dividing 3 by 3, you will get 1, and here we are dividing 5 by 7 by 5 by 7, you will get 1. Okay, and 1 multiply by minus 2 by 3. Okay, so minus 2 by 3, and put the sign before this number, and put and similarly this 5 by 7 cancelled by this 5 by 7, and these numbers are same, so you will get 1, and 1 multiply by minus 1 by 9, you will get 1 by 9. Okay, like this, 5 upon 7 into minus 2 by 3. Open the inner bracket, If the positive sign before the bracket, you can't change the sign, inner sign. Okay, so like this, if you are multiplying the different sign, you will get the negative sign. Okay, and add these two numbers. First of all, you will solve the inner operations of the bracket and take the LCM of 3 and 9. You can take easily 9. You know what is the LCM of 3 and 9? You can read, you have read in the previous classes. So you can take this, the LCM of these two numbers, and the denominator of these two numbers you can solve. This denominator, this LCM is divided by the denominator. 9 divided by 3, you will get 3. 3 is a 9, and the answer multiply to this number minus 2 numerator, you will get 6, and this LCM is divided by this denominator, you will get 1, and 1 multiply by 1. Okay, 5/7. Okay, and add these two numbers. Why are adding these two numbers? Because they have having the same sign. If the numbers having the same sign, you will add them. Okay, cameraman, this is showing on my camera or not? No. Okay, this one is not showing. This is showing or not? This is already showing. This is showing. Okay, now I am solving this question at this side. Okay, now I have told you, you have to add them because they are having the same sign. Okay, my 5/7 into minus 7/9. You put the sign, you have to put the sign greater number. Which is the greater number? You will say the -1 is greater number, but without sign 6 is greater number. Okay, without sign is 6 is greater number, and 6 having the minus sign, and you can so put the minus sign before the number and multiply these two numbers. 6 7 cancelled by 7 one time, and now multiply by 5 by 1 minus 7. Okay, this is the answer. You can solve the remaining question at your home, and I am solving the next question. Question number 9. This is the last one question, and the fill up you have to solve at your home by yourself with the help. Okay, students. Okay. No, there is no problem. I am solving. Fluctuation of the light. Verify A plus B and B plus A. Okay. This is the first question of 9th, and there are two questions only in this 9 question. I am solving only one question. You have to solve B question at your home. I am giving to you for practice. Okay, 2/3 and B minus 1/3. First of all, take the equation. Now you have to solve from the left side. LHS, take the LHS side like this, A plus B, and now put the value of A in place of A. Okay, and you put the value of B. What is the value of B? -1/3. and he put the value of a 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3, and solve this. 2 by 3 and open the bracket, 1 by 3. If the denominator same, you can subtract or add them easily. So we are subtracting these numbers because they having the different sign, and you will get 1 by 3. This is the answer of the left hand side. Now you have to solve the right hand side. Okay, b plus a. Okay, here 1 upon 3, and what is the value of a? 2 by 3. Okay, and the denominator, these two rational numbers are same. You can easily subtract them. Why we are subtracting them? Because they having the different sign. Okay, now subtract 1 from 2, 1 by 3. This is the right hand side answer 1 by 3, and left hand side answer 1 by 3. Both answers are same. You can write LHS equals to RHS. Okay student, this is the last question from me, and the remaining question number 10 you have to solve at your home. Okay students, stay home, protected life. Okay, bye bye students.